Alright, I'm back to make some nacho. As I'm cooking, I hope you notice these cooking verbs like mash, chop, slice, mince, add, combine, season, sprinkle, cook on high heat, cook on medium heat, low heat or medium high heat, stir fry, brown, toast, melt, top, and of course give it a taste. Alright, let's get going. Nacho is such a casual food. That must be why I like it so much. Okay, you can use any meat for nacho, I think. You can use ground beef, like most people do. You can just stir fry your ground beef with taco seasoning or just salt and pepper. You can use 떡갈비. I've done it. Was really good. And you can actually do 불고기. And have any leftover samgyeopsal? Go for it. Use it. It will be good. If you have any leftover galbi, shredded meat, just use it. Anything will do. Today, I'm choosing bulgogi for the meat. I am going to marinate it first. When I was living in America, my American friends were amazed by my bulgogi and galbi, and they always asked for the secret sauce. Real secret was this. So, here we go. Marinating the beef. Thank you, Chung Jung-won. I'll put my beef in the refrigerator while I'm preparing other ingredients. My knife skills aren't so great, but I'm gonna have to do lots of chopping, cutting, mincing for Pico de Gallo and guacamole. First thing that I'm gonna work on is Pico de Gallo. For that, I need to chop lots of vegetables. Okay, first, I need to peel my onion. An onion peeled, a tomato washed, and cilantro's washed. Since I couldn't find any jalapeno peppers, I am going to substitute jalapeno peppers with 청양 peppers. Korean hot peppers. Alright. I am going to use about a half of an onion. I need to finely chop my onion. Chopping onions make me cry all the time. I'm using 2 tomatoes for my pico de gallo today. Remove the end out. Cut the tomato in half. Well, some people take the seed out, but I just like to use them all. Okay. Chop the tomatoes like you chopped onions. So chop. So far, we peel and finely chopped the onion, and we marinated the beef, and we cut the tomato in half. Do you remember these words? Now, repeat. Peel. Finely chop. Marinate. Cut it in half. Okay, next, my 청양 peppers.
Remove the ends. Cut it make sure that you wear gloves because it could burn your hand if you don't. And take the seed out.
First, thinly slice your 청양 pepper. Try not to slice my finger. All right. Or you can say julienne. Now we are cutting the other direction. So basically, we are mincing 청양 pepper. Okay. Fine chop or mince 청양 peppers. Add 청양 pepper. Chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, and minced 청양 pepper. And now we are going to chop cilantros, and add it to the bowl. I am going to cover the lid and perhaps I can shake it to mix it because I need to mix well. No, this may not work. No, this isn't going to work. Okay, I am going to mix well. Well, it's done now. My Pico de Gallo is done. Guacamole is quite simple to make. The main ingredient will be avocado. You need to pick ripe avocados. Cut an avocado in half. Open it. Open it. Open it. Now, pick the seed out. One more time. Pick the seed out. What can I say? I'm just an English teacher. I'm not a cook. I'm not a chef. Okay, pick the seed out. Take the seed out. Try. Okay. Using the spoon, scoop the avocado meat. And scrape it out. It takes forever. Okay, mash the avocado with a fork. Make it as crunchy or smooth as you like. Oh, I forgot to pick up a lime. I need to put some lime in it, but I forgot. But that's okay. I'm just gonna do without. Okay, I personally like garlicky guacamole. So I am going to use a couple cloves of garlic. Okay, first, crush them with your knife. Then, mince them up. Add minced garlic in the bowl. Salt and pepper to taste. Add a couple spoons of salsa. Stir together. A seed in the middle of the guacamole. The seed keeps the guacamole fresher longer time. Bulgogi has been marinated for quite some time, so I am going to stir fry it now. Heat the pan first, or heat the wok first. Drizzle some oil. A bit more. Add beef in a pan. Wow, it's sizzling. Stir fry the beef on high heat. Now we are ready to assemble and microwave the nacho. Remember these baked chips out of the air fryer? I arranged them in a single layer. I am going to sprinkle shredded cheese. Nice amount. Remember bulgogi? Put some bulgogi on top. Well, I'm just making a single serving today, so rather a small plate. Add some sliced olives. Add sliced jalapeno peppers. I love jalapeno peppers, so I'm gonna put a lot of them. Sprinkle more cheese on. I am going to microwave my plate until the cheese is melted.
While the nacho is being microwaved, let's review some vocabulary. Let's say them together. Slice, mince, add, mix, scoop, scrape, mash, crush, stir, heat, drizzle, stir fry, assemble, sprinkle, top with, microwave.
Good. Now the cheese is melted. Okay, I am going to put some fresh Pico de Gallo, a dollop of sour cream, another dollop, another dollop. Then a spoonful of guacamole, another spoonful, and here another. Okay, that's about it. This is my nacho, my dinner. I hope it tastes good.